Hi everyone, welcome to Digital Journey. In this video, we will discuss about like what is SEO and what is the why we do the SEO. So basically, SEO stands for the search engine optimization, and it is a process that helps search engine understand a website content and make it easier for user to find. The goal of the SEO is to increase the amount of relevant and authoritative content on the website, so that search engine will rank it higher. So before the definition, we have to understand the what is SEO. SEO is the search engine optimization, the full form is. So there are two terms is there. The first one is the search engine. The second one is the optimization. So what is the search engine? You are seeing the Chrome, Opera. These are the search engine. We can say that Bravo. Multiple search engine are there. So Internet Explorer, Opera, and the Chrome, these are the search engine in that we will search for the query, and we have to do the optimization of these according to these search engine, so our website content will rank in higher. So from the SEO, basically we have to, our main goal from the SEO is to increase the traffic on our website. It will be organic traffic, and in with quantity of the traffic, we have to also focus on the quality of users, qualities of visitors. Like if we are getting the quality of visitors or users, then our website will conversion will lead more conversion than compared to the unquality users. So this is the definition of the SEO. SEO is a stand for the search engine optimization, and it is a process so search engine understand the website content and make it easier to find to users. How SEO make easier for user to find? Basically, you are running a hotel, okay? Like suppose I am particular person, I am looking for hotel in Delhi. So just I will go to the search engine like Chrome, and I will search for only hotel in Delhi. Once I will search for hotel in Delhi, this will be the search engine result page. In that you can see that firstly the map location is there, schema location, and after that you can see that make my trip is there, GoView, Ajodo, Booking.com, Trivago, multiple websites are coming there. So basically this is due to this SEO. Like on this keyword hotel in Delhi, these websites have optimized their content, so these websites are coming at the tops. So SEO, we can say that like SEO is particularly optimizing the website on the basis of the keyword, and once the user will search for the keyword in the search engine, our website will be shown in the top results. So in this way, if in the complete SEO process, we have to optimize our website according to the keyword, so the user search with the keyword term and our website will be shown in the top search results. Now some definition is there. These are the best practice that we will include in our further videos. So this is the main part here. SEO can be important for business and website owner because of the billion of the search that happen every day on search engine like Google, YouTube, Amazon, Bing. So as we can say that why SEO is important. Basically, suppose if you have to purchase something, you will search into the Google or Ficom. So basically you are searching in the search engine. So as the same way we can say that if we are not coming at the top, so might be we can lose multiple customers, right? If we don't have a physical location, the main source of the business is via the online. So if we are not standing online, then our business can see the loss in terms of the revenue and in terms of the leads also, lead conversion. So in the SEO part, we have to optimize our website content. So when the person search for a particular term in the search engine, so our website will be reflected at the top. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. Have a nice day. Take care.